In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a bug in Azure Boards. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to log a bug efficiently and share some tips to ensure it's of high quality. First, let's navigate to the right place within your Azure DevOps project. Depending on your setup, you might need to go to Boards and then select from Work Items, Backlogs, or Queries. Typically, the work item type you'll be dealing with is known as a bug or possibly a defect, depending on your process nomenclature. You'll begin by clicking on New Work Item and then selecting Bug, or the equivalent term your process uses. Now, it's time to fill in the key fields which form the core of your bug report. Start with a title that provides a concise summary of the bug, essentially, what's broken. You'll also need to consider who will own or triage this issue. The Assign to field is meant for that purpose, although you might want to leave it blank initially if you're planning on having a triage process first. Next, consider the area path or iteration path. This field helps determine which part of the product the bug pertains to and during which sprint or release it was discovered. Severity and priority fields are crucial if your process utilizes them, as they reflect how important or urgent the bug is. Make sure to include details about the environment and version, which covers where the bug was found. This includes information like the browser, OS, version number, or build tag. A pivotal part of your report is describing the steps to reproduce. This should be a detailed, step-by-step sequence that allows any developer or tester to follow and reproduce the issue themselves. Closely related to this, include a clear distinction between the actual result, the problem observed, and the expected result, what you expected to happen instead. To support your findings and make a compelling case, attachments or screenshots and any relevant logs can be incredibly helpful. You might come across templates in quality assurance articles that recommend organizing this information into sections like description of problem, expected result, environment, version, browser, and steps to reproduce. Consistency is key, and so is efficiency. To avoid variations in how information is presented by different reporters, you can use or create templates in Azure Boards for the bug work item type. This ensures consistent field usage, enhances readability, and speeds up triage. The process is straightforward. First, create a bug item temporarily and fill in the description with your standard template placeholder text. Then, click on the menu in the bug form, choose Templates, and select Capture. Save this template for your team. The next time you or a team member needs to report a bug, simply apply this template and fill in the blanks. By implementing this approach, your team can standardize defect logging, ensuring that every bug report is as clear and comprehensive as possible.